Lexi Grenzer with Ice Resin Creative Team. Today we're going to be doing some industrial chic, and I wanted to introduce how to make rings. So we're going to be making some very bling-tastic rings, and hopefully you guys can pick up some good tricks and figure out how to use this and make this all your own. So let's get started and show you how to use some of this cool stuff. So we have the oh so fantastic Industrial Chic, and as I mentioned, we're going to be working on some very bling rings. And I am using a combination of the ring bases by Industrial Chic, and you get 2 in a pack. And then I'm also using just the lid of one of these Industrial Chic tins, and you actually get 3 tins in this little pack. So it's like, holy cow, that's lots and lots of rings, necklaces, and bracelets, all kinds of good stuff. So I popped off the top of this tin, and I didn't want it to be a really deep tin ring. I wanted it to be pretty shallow. So what I did is I went ahead and just put one of my larger bead buttons in, and I just play with it and kind of determine I like the way this particular button looks on top, and if it's wobbling around too much and that's driving you crazy, you can always turn it around, and depending on what the button is made of, you can actually cut the shank of it off. And the shank is just where the little bobble is that you would normally sew onto a shirt is. So you just cut that off, and then it will sit nice and flush on this piece. And then I go ahead and take rhinestone, and you can actually get a number of different rhinestones from the Industrial Chic line. This is a little one that comes in a pack of 4 different types of chain and rope and all kinds of good stuff. So I take and cut some enough to go around the entire little button in the center. And then because the way this button was, it was a fairly small one, there was a lot of space around the outside. I went ahead and used a larger rhinestone to go around the outside. And then I just floated a coat of rice resin on top. So you're probably wondering, how did you get it to sit flat so that you can actually have the resin dry flat? And as you can see, it's really, really simple. I just took one of these little disposable condiment cups that you can get at the dollar store. I put some black beans in there because I use the black beans for all of my non-flat items. And then you just push it in, make it level, and pour your ice resin on top. So it's a pretty cool technique. This one, when I said bling-tastic, I wasn't kidding. There's all kinds of bling on it. And I did actually use the larger, deeper tin for this one. And because I did that, I kind of thought, you know what, I just really want to show off this really pretty rhinestone around the outside too. So this has a whole lot of sparkle going on, and I'm a fan of sparkle, so you can't really go wrong. And you can make this as simple or as detailed as you want. I only showed you how to use buttons inside of your tin, but you have a wealth of options available to you. Industrial Chic has some really cool paper. It has beautiful transparencies, other charms that are going inside of it. You just can't go wrong. So that is how I used the Industrial Chic Tins E6000 Ice Resin and made it my own. And these are my little bling-tastic rings. So hope that was fun. And then you can go and sport off some of your new jewelry. It'll be a total statement piece. Have fun, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.